जब मैं स्टेज पे जाना शुरू करा and I started performing, it just became that I just had to be myself on stage because that's what people will enjoy the most and bringing out my personality with the art form that I'm doing. तो initially magic का जो stereotype होता है कि hat, tuxedo, big boxes, music, things like that. I have none of that in the show because I think I wanted to make magic जितना human हो सके because human connect magic में बहुत कम होता था. So I wanted to have that कि इंसान ही है आपके जैसे कपड़े पहने हैं, आपके जैसा बात करता है, आपकी जैसी चीज़ें देखता है, but can do this extraordinary thing.
Hi everyone, welcome to the IMA podcast where we bring you inspiring stories, unique journeys and some mind-bending conversations. आज हमारे साथ हैं एक ऐसे शख्स जो आपके दिल और दिमाग दोनों को पढ़ सकते हैं. So Mr. Karan Singh Magic is here to thrill all of you with some exciting conversations. और सेलिब्रिटीज से लेकर पैक्ड ऑडियंसेस तक जैसा अभी हमने देखा सर ने सभी को हैरान कर दिया है. सो करण, वेलकम टू IMA.
Thank you.
एंड सबसे पहले मैं यही पूछना चाहूंगी कि आपको मैं मैजिशियन कहूँ, इल्यूजनिस्ट कहूँ, मेंटलिस्ट कहूँ, और इसमें असली फर्क क्या है?
मैं उसको और कॉम्प्लिकेट करता हूँ, कहता हूँ कि आप मुझे साइकोलॉजिकल इल्यूजनिस्ट को. दैट्स द टर्म दैट आई केम अप विद बहुत साल पहले. फर्क ज़्यादा है कि मतलब अगर आप म्यूजिक देखते हो, म्यूजिक के अंदर जॉनर्स होंगे, देयर बी रैप, देयर बी सूफी म्यूजिक, देयर बी हिप हॉप म्यूजिक. तो मैजिक एक अम्ब्रेला टाइप का है, उसके अंदर जो जॉनर्स हैं, कार्ड मैजिक होता है, कॉइन ट्रिक्स होते हैं, स्टेज मैजिक होता है, वैसे ही मेंटलिज्म इज अ जॉनर ऑफ दैट. जो मैं कर रहा हूँ, मैं उसमें साइकोलॉजी और मैजिक और मेंटलिज्म दोनों मिक्स कर रहा हूँ to make it look like I can actually read minds.
So you actually mix of psychology, facial expressions, etc. Okay, that's interesting. We just heard you saying that you started practicing tricks at the age of 11. So what inspired you?
Yeah, I'd gone for a summer camp. I remember this was June 2002. वहाँ पे there were three things that you can do: rock climbing, trekking, and I think surfing. ऐसा कुछ था. तो मैंने ट्रैकिंग करा था और उसके बाद इन द इवनिंग्स जस्ट टू एंगेज द चिल्ड्रन दे हैड डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज. उसमें से एक मैजिक था. तो आई रिमेंबर देयर वाज अ गाय नेम्ड शामुद्दीन खान जिन्होंने मुझे एक दो ट्रिक्स दिखाए थे एंड मतलब आई वाज माइंड ब्लोन. दैट्स ऑल आई वांटेड टू डू.
But you have a very unique style. So how did you develop that?
That happened over time. For me it was just जब मैं स्टेज पे जाना शुरू करा and I started performing, it just became that I just had to be myself on stage because that's what people will enjoy the most. And bringing out my personality with the art form that I'm doing. तो initially magic का जो stereotype होता है कि hat, tuxedo, big boxes, music, things like that. I have none of that in the show because I think I wanted to make magic जितना human हो सके because human connect magic में बहुत कम होता था. So I wanted to have that कि इंसान ही है आपके जैसे कपड़े पहने हैं, आपके जैसा बात करता है, आपकी जैसी चीज़ें देखता है, but can do this extraordinary thing.
So mind reading sounds almost supernatural. We have so many babas already performing tricks in front of us. So how much of it is science and how much is intuition, or we can say illusion?
I won't say science in a way that it is not scientific, but it's not as complicated as what science might be. ये है कि ये चीज़ करोगे तो ये होगी. So वो अगर आप साइंस को चीज़ बोलोगे तो वो वही है कि अगर इस चीज़ को आप ऐसे करोगे तो इसका रिजल्ट ये आएगा. तो उस तरीके से साइंटिफिक है. इंट्यूशन इतना वो नहीं है कि स्टेज पे मैं किसका माइंड रीड कैसे कर रहा हूँ. इंट्यूशन वो है टू फिगर आउट द पल्स ऑफ द ऑडियंस कि किस मोमेंट पे क्या फील कर रही है ऑडियंस सो दैट आई कैन मेक देम फील द वे आई वांट देम टू. दैट कम्स विद टाइम. एज फॉर द ट्रिक्स, there are always methods to it. There are a few things which I've added of my own, which even other magicians, mentalists won't know कैसे हो रहे हैं. तो उनको भी लगेगा शायद असली है. शायद genuinely I can read minds, but no, there are all. It's a mixture of magic and psychology. It's the two things always that I've always said.
So can you guess what my next question, Karan?
Only on stage.
On stage. Okay. So reading people's emotions and thoughts is crucial for management. So can you share some tricks from mentalism that can help, which our leaders can adopt and can be better communicators and negotiators?
I think I can tell you about negotiations. If you meet someone and you shake their hand, shake my hand right now. So see how my hand comes slightly ऊपर से. So it's just a psychological thing that I'll be dominating the conversation.
Okay.
I'll shake your hand again this time. इस बार आप हाथ ऊपर से लेके आना, ठीक है? Just to show what I will do if that happens. You've seen politicians do this a lot. A lot of politicians hack that out. So it's just a psychological thing that I am always controlling the conversation. I'm above you in a way. So if you're negotiating with someone, और अगर आप ऐसी छोटी-छोटी tactics use करोगे, it's just something that will always work. Another thing that works is, let's say you have a figure in mind, 100 rupees. That's the negotiation figure you want to reach. You can look at somebody and you say, I think 100 is a good fair price. And I start nodding. And when I start nodding, you start. You were it. It's just a very normal thing to do. So, जो भी आपके दिमाग में है, just say that properly and just nod as you say it. The other person will nod with you.
Okay. And I had seen some of your videos where you mentioned about Barnum statements. So, what one Barnum statement is that works for almost everybody?
That you are an overthinker.
Yes.
Everybody is. पर सबको लगता है कि ये मेरे बारे में बोला जा रहा है. I can dress it up and make it sound very personal.
Mm-hmm.
And then if I end that with telling you your children's name or your husband's name or your wife's name, something like that, then it feels the other things are also very, very real. When in reality, those have been Barnum statements. So if I say that, I think for you specifically, I think the last couple of months, some sort of major change has happened in your life, either to do with the house or your job, something you're always saying. What's that change that's happened?
I have switched profession, kind
Yeah.
of.
So, but that's not a Barnum statement. But if I said that you've been overthinking a lot, and that has led to this change, that
Maybe.
would, that would feel very real. And overthink सब करते हैं, but इसका जो ending हुआ कि आपका job में आया and you've changed professions, that's not something that will be a Barnum statement.
And you've performed for so many celebrities. So, any particular unusual or funny reaction you've received after a performance?
I don't know if I can say it on camera.
Something that you can share.
Let me think. There was Jackie Shroff, who I performed for, who I think is the coolest person in India. I did a trick for him, and the entire show tha, so he was sitting in the audience. It was a 1-hour show, and 15 minute हुए थे मैं show के, and I saw Jackie Shroff get up and leave. I thought मैंने कुछ शायद भूल दिया है, कुछ गलत कर दिया मैंने. And the show ends, and I step off stage, and I went to sir, मैंने कुछ गलत बोल दिया था, आप चले गए थे. And he said, बड़ू 10 मिनट बाद अपन को लगा इतना पागल तो नहीं है रहा. Oh, मुझे नहीं देखने गए. And then he went to my manager, and he said, बड़ू उसको जला डाल. So we thought I'm like a witch says in 1920s में around the world witches used to be burned. So that's what he said to me, which I think is the best thing.
Today we are short of time, but our audience would like to know a lot more from you. So we'll do a quick rapid fire.
Yeah, let's do it.
If not a magician, what would you be doing?
Crying in a corner, because I don't think I can do anything else.
Do you agree that sometimes marketing people or politicians use these tricks to influence people?
They do.
One magician or mentalist who inspires you?
David Blaine.
Okay, he's from?
America.
Okay.
Yeah.
And one psychological trick everyone should know?
Oh, one psychological trick that everyone should know, that when somebody is lying to you and you think that they're lying to you, they will do something to cover that up. So they'll either scratch their nose, scratch their forehead, take a sip of water. So if you think they're lying to you, just keep looking at them.
We'll know.
They will do something like this.
Your dream stage to perform on?
Oh, the next one. I don't have any dreams कि यहाँ करना है, whichever stage.
What's the weirdest thing someone has asked you to predict?
Weirdest thing that somebody's asked me to predict. What will Sensex close at on Monday? That has happened very often. All business shows that I do, can you tell me what Sensex will close at 3:30 today?
Okay. So viewers, with this we come to the end of today's podcast. Thank you for listening to us. अगर आपको आज कुछ नया सीखने को मिला या सोचने को मजबूर हुए तो हमारा मकसद पूरा हो गया. So do follow Karan's channel for more mind-blowing tricks and also the IMA podcast channel for more inspiring conversations. Thank you. See you soon. Thank you, Karan.
Thank you. This is so much fun.